Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kuble ye phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Kajingelang ka baningkong jongki shpotli ki Autonomous District Council ki badan hagani kathan shati lammi jongkari India. Kabalalong ha Tripura Gazelle Heritage min hagash potrik unailar arhajar arhusaw. Hagati kajingelang UCEM jongka KHADC uba penyat Sing Syiem ulalong unong penyat banyathir ya kimat jongki pat drulum ki basa athan shati lammi. Upradiat Bikram Manikya, Deb Barma Shonknor Katri Pasa, ulalong unong ay jungmut haga kinhun jungki MDC berki CEM, u Elvin Teron MDC ka KAAC. Habayo banyakran syakilat pathai kubor hadin kajingya kendo, Upradiat Bikram Manikya, Deb Barma ulapen sngo baka kinhun jungki ADC, kalayakran ye kamat jongka Shispa Arpsan Amendment, jongka 6 Schedule haga Constitution kari India. Upradiat Tripasa laong baki ADC kin ay jaka yaki ADC lada ki kwa banbo nishna ki kinjaying hagte ka jaka. Na kalyang jong ka Tripasa kin ay jaka banbo yaka durmod jong UJJM Nichols Roy unong sandur yaka 6 schedule bat ka way ka skul pareng haga kerteng U Tirot Sing Tripura. Shushu utay unong yalam jong ki Tripura uyathu namar ka jingja ha Bangladesh ki pat ba riulum ha Tripura ki kwa ban pinsanam ya kinong yale lailut ki pat lajong ki ai buram bat penne ya ki culture. Upradiat Barma uyathu baki ADC ki dapram yo kpa jong ki District Council UJJM Nichols Roy.
To our indigenous people from across the region. And the time has come for all of us to speak for our people rather than speak for our parties. That is the main agenda.
What has the Union Minister assured?
The Union Minister had assured us that within 1 month he will form a committee and address our problems. So it is very important that we hold him to his word. He didn't give me that commitment individually, he gave it to all the 10 district councils. And now he has to honor the commitment. Otherwise, we will have to put pressure in our own way, which may not be the best, in the best interest to the government of India. So I once again urge the government of India to honor its own words and ensure that the rights of our people, the legitimate rights of our people, are honored. Committee, we have formed a committee under the uh, under the chief chair convener Bapinyan. We are all the district council members are party to this committee, and we will give it an official structure. And if required, if we have to agitate, if we have to send memorandums, if we have to negotiate, we will do it uh, as a joint working group rather than individually going to Delhi and talking and our issues not getting resolved. It is also incumbent on us today, since there's a local media here. We have decided that there was a school in North Tripura, which is habited by the Khasi community, and we've decided to open up a school for them from our council, an English medium school, and we are also giving it a name, Tirot Sing Memorial School. I think Pramod Boro himself has offered something in Sri Rampur for us to open up our offices. I've offered land in the TTADC for the KHEDC, GHEDC, and the Jayanti Hills District Council to open up their bhavans or guest houses. So I think it is very important that we first start respecting and honoring each other. And regarding the livelihood, the question which you asked, the biggest problem in Northeast is infiltration. An unstable Bangladesh will allow them the open borders that we have is a threat to our future and our survival. If the government of India needs to protect the indigenous people of Northeast, they will have to give us land rights, they will have to give us economic power, and they have to constitutionally protect us. What is happening is that with the open borders with Bangladesh, we are under immediate threat. And India's entire strategy on Bangladesh was based on one family, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Today, that family is no longer relevant in Bangladesh as of today, and India's plan B has to protect its own people first, rather than give asylum and allow people from Bangladesh to cross over here and flood our population. The government of India has made special provisions for people in Leh Ladakh. They have made special provisions for OBCs. They have made special provisions for tribals. Uh, our laws predate our laws predate the laws made by the Constitution of India. If Narendra Modi ji can take a Sengol to the parliament and say he's honoring the Tamil culture, then why can our traditional systems in Meghalaya you have Rongba Shnong, you have the Dorbar, you have the Shnongs. Why can't the government of India give the same respect what they have given to the Sengol in the parliament? So the government of India cannot have a two-pronged policy where you're respecting Ayodhya, you're respecting the Sengol in the parliament, you're respecting Sanskrit and Nalanda University, but then you're not giving enough powers to our own cultural thing, our cultural system. So the government of India has to be fair to the historical India and as well as our historical and our customary laws. The government of India has to make provisions for us. Front line. If our border areas are besieged by people from Bangladesh, how will we protect? It is not only the protection of our people. If India needs to be protected, they have to first protect the people on the front line. Who are the people on the front line? The Bodos, the Khasis, the Tripuris, the Garos, the Jaintias, the Karbis. And if you cannot protect the people, we are Indians. First protect us, then think about protecting people from Bangladesh. And if India wants to be secure, then they have to first trust their own citizens before allowing people to come. So the government has to have a policy where they empower us, not only in terms of constitution, financially, they educate us, they give us rights, they give us economic independence, and they give us political freedom as well to decide what is right and what is wrong for us. And we have decided to honor him. In fact, in our council also, we are erecting a statue of J.J. Nichols Roy. Why only J.J. Nichols Roy? We should even honor people like Togan Sangma, Kyang Nangba, Tirot Singh, uh, Upendra Brahma. I mean, is it are they only Khasi heroes or Garo heroes or Bodo heroes? They are people who have fought for our history, for our culture, and so if we can do that, hopefully one day you will do the same for us. So J.J. Nichols Roy is the founder of the is the father of the sixth schedule. His role was instrumental in giving us certain rights, and if we honor him, we are honoring not just an individual, we are honoring a philosophy, a principle which is very relevant today as well.